Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 and I'll show you how to unmute ringtone on this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then click here on the sounds and vibration. Now just tap here on the volume section and just to unmute your ringtone you should swipe this blue dot to the left side with your finger. And also we got the second way how we can do that, but first be sure that here the use volume keys for media switcher is turned off, and then just press your up volume button, and by this way you also can unmute your ringtone. And the third way is you just should press your up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and just slide up with your finger this volume panel. And that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.